A very wonderful day to you all the lovers of freedom. Everyone that have taken it as pains to make sure we have a better society. God bless you. Man. So glory be to God Almighty. Today is another wonderful day again. Please, we are going to still keep on doing what we know how to do best. A quest for a better society should be a continuous assessment. So whichever formula you can use to make sure we solve this equation, we have to do it unanimously, confidentially, and otherwise. So please, before you start watching, just help us do sharing. We're also going to be comparing all our leaders today from the local level up to the federal level. So we have to keep on doing this. If you don't do it, if I don't do it, if nobody can do it, we are done. All this fight we are seeing today, we are not supposed to leave it to our children. Because our children, they cannot fight this fight because they are not buffalo soldiers. So as you are watching right now, please kindly do sharing. Kindly do sharing. I'm trying to observe something here. The observation is not clear. I'll bring down this very video and start it all over again. I know this page is under attack, but by now the number was supposed to be seen by now might have increased. But the best way we can have a full house, more or less, is for you to do massive sharing. Do it massively until 14th of March. Our page is under restriction, but for us not to keep our viewers, our fans, our followers waiting, I know a lot of people are testifying about the good work that we are doing. A lot of people may not like it. Even the time of Jesus, the gospel irritated a lot of people, but at the end of the day, everyone is key into their ideology today. So that's it. No discipline seems to be pleasant at the time, but painful in the book of Hebrews. He said, but at the end result, it will yield an harvest of righteousness. And what is righteousness? Right standing. Today, we'll not be talking about gracious servant for great success. At the same time, sending message to our political leaders, traditional rulers, for them to face or carry their responsibilities squarely. Both the one that is ordained by God, both the one that is chosen politically, there is a purpose why you have been elected or why God have chosen you as a leader. So we are not going to keep on overlaying emphasis on that. Every one of us should know what we are doing. Even as a citizen, every one of us also have our own responsibilities. That's why at times the money we allow the government of the day to start spending on security, even when we are supposed to kind of take care of ourselves. Let's just declare the service open in the name of the God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit. Father, Lord, as your word is about to come forth, let it fall the fertile ground in our heart, O Lord. Let there be salvation, let there be healing, let there be deliverance. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. Now, the reason why you have to at times be a responsible citizen, the reason is very clear. Most of the time we come here criticizing the government, but there are also areas as an individual where there are lapses. In your brother's life, in my brother's life, in your husband's life, in your wife's life, and the rest, So a lot of things have happened in our states whereby these indigenous will be fighting themselves. Okay, what about what happened in Olu yesterday? Opus Odima is mobilizing the military of Nigeria to start killing his people. Under normal condition, I guess it's not supposed to be so. These are people who just stood up and said, no, we need to protect our land. They stood up and said, we need to protect our land. Now, these are things you yourself, you couldn't do it. Not that you cannot do it. You don't just want to do it because you are wicked. Now, I don't see if there's any moral justification over what Opus Odima is doing in Imo State or Lu precisely today. I don't think he has any moral justification. But a lot of us, because of our wicked man, who doesn't really care about the people out there. Why is ESN or why is AdPop, why are they doing what they are doing? Is it for their personal selfish reasons or to protect people? At times, anytime I begin to think about it on my own, I just, I feel like giving up this advocacy or activism up. But I see something begin to grip my heart. No, don't just give up, because it was like that even in the time of Jesus. Now, watch it. Where are we going from here? Opus Odima, the responsibility the AdPop carry today is supposed to be for Opus Odima. Now, Sylvester Forest is there. You are not after the Fulani herdsmen. He turned a blind eye to it when these same people are be killing his citizen and all of other. But somebody now set up and said, no, everybody's mind is not the same. Your own is all about your family. Why somebody grew up and said, okay, I need to protect my people. Really, the evidence are there. People, they are raping women, raping your sisters, killing your brothers in the farm. What happened in Edo yesterday? Precisely. It will be the same complaint. Now, if God, the Spirit of God enters somebody tomorrow and the person chooses to stand up, I want to protect my state. I don't think Edo State governor, the way we know him to be, will rise up against that such an individual. Man, why is Opus Odima using the military jet or whatever, the military helicopter, to fight assassinating his people? According to what we saw in social media, that one of the helicopters was brought down yesterday. Look at the loss. And they cannot go and tell BBC that look at what they are facing. They are just, it's that every one of us should be able to draw one rope. Because these people, I've told you time with that number, their mission is in John 10:10, to steal, to kill, and to destroy. They are not there to spoil your life. Opus Odima is for Opus Odima. If you are a sticky politician, they'll take you along. So what are we still waiting for? And you don't see the handwriting in the world that it is clear now that they are just here to kill us. So I said yesterday in my topic, I said, every grown-up mother or every grown-up father, suppose with the virtue of where we are coming from, they are supposed to be our mother, they are supposed to be our fathers. So anytime you see that Fulani herdsmen, they machete an old man that is enough to give birth to you, automatically or logically, they kill your father. At the time someone close to you is dead, you yourself, you also have dead. When people are dying in your community, don't say, well, thank God they did not come to my place, and start giving testimony. Just the way Suleiman right now started giving testimony, say coronavirus blessing. Good, you have right to your opinion, but to who you claim you are not supposed to say it. There was never a time Jesus Christ was happy because he healed somebody in Galilee. Jesus Christ wept 3 times. He wept for the unbelief of the people where he was supposed to go to Judea. He wept because of the pains they were going through on the cross of Calvary. He wept again for the loss of Lazarus. When Lazarus died, that was the 3 times he wept. He was never happy. But today, we say we are Christian. We celebrate the downfall of everyone. Coronavirus is hitting the world. We have the most excessive problem today in the world, in the whole world. We the Nigerians. Some ethnic group, they have taken law into their hand to start killing the rest people. And the rest people, they are not ready to unite to protect themselves. It's to protect you. So the best I can give is what I'm here right now doing. Encouraging you. Minister for Defense yesterday, he has said it. I think there's a rumor right now. They are blaming him that why must he even mention such a statement. And the man just said the truth and nothing but the truth. If you are waiting for Edo State governor, you are waiting for Kogi State governor to come and tell you, and now see the media go to TVC and say protect yourself. You are supposed to protect yourself. You are supposed to, because this thing is getting out of hand. That they will kill you, they will kill your pa. I think there's a video here. There's a video here that came out yesterday precisely. Somewhere close to a cloud, because what I'll be talking about, I was not really too interested in it. I even skipped in watching it. Because I was not interested, because this is a thing I'll be saying right from time. But people seems not to be believing whatever thing we are saying as if we are joking and all of that. It's still the same complaint. Hey, they've killed my grandfather. A boy was shouting, hey, I have no father to talk to right now. Maybe when they first visited your village, they first of all came to your village, they killed maybe the next neighbor to your house or your father's friend. When their son were money, I'm just trying to give instances here because I'm a teacher. Maybe when their friend was, the family of the disease were money. You count it as if, thank God they did not kill your father. Today is your father. Any person that is going through pains, there are a lot of things you are thinking is going to be able to do, you cannot do it. But you that thing have not happened to. The reason why God spare your life is to see how you bring solution to that very problem. It's not to say, oh my God, this will happen to your dad. So let's mobilize ourselves. Let's wear tie, let's go to the bush and beg these people to leave our place. Let's carry this matter to Ojon. Well, Ojon way, look at so and so person, father be killing in whatever. We doesn't know the next person they are coming from. Or John, we cannot watch this town for this town to be like this. None of them body care about it. All they do in thank God say no concern me. They'll go give testimony for Suleiman Church. Could you know Fulani herdsmen? They kill every elderly man in the village. Thank God they did not touch my father. But right now, they have touched your father today. Me that is saying all these things, I know the insult I receive. Both from the comment section, I don't say people they swear for me from their mind. You know why not go reach me? Because I'm not doing it for myself. I'm not doing it for myself. You don't know the next village they're going to go tomorrow. I'll be one of the Edo men who have consecutively condemning this art. I'm not doing it because I want to do sack. I does not monetize my. I don't even know whether they pay person. The YouTuber be building. At times I'll post link for them, subscribe. Nobody subscribe me. I not going to what you and do. Now maybe people they see the video. Make it out of the old nonsense where I want to speak. You see sense. That's why I'm doing it. I'm here to give you a clue. It may not be 100% correct, but you go and do your findings. This was the same way the gospel was brought to us. Today is what we believe on. Through the gospel, we are going to reach. Through the gospel, you will marry even without having sexual intercourse with your wife. Your wife will give birth to a bouncy baby boy, very beautiful, without romancing and all of that. But these are the archaic idea we got today. God gives children. But you have your own role to play. You know these things, crying, calling the government. You yourself, you have your own role to play. Let me just play part of the video to us. This is where the governor will addressing the people.
And watch people massacre.
Wait.
But at the same time, we cannot fold our hands and watch people massacre us. Thank you, sir. I understand. So you just take it easy. We are working out a lot of things.
Now you hear what Philip Shaibu, he said we cannot just fold our hands and watch these people massacre us. What do you want the governor to do? They the little they can do. We cannot just fold our hands and watch the people massacre us. That is so. Okay, now. How many policemen do we have, for example, in the whole Edo 18 local government? The government can only do it. Mobilize yourself. If you are looking for money to buy, at least before this started escalating, hold a meeting. Let the elders in each village, I've said it several times with that number. I've given us a preamble on how we are supposed to even go to the government house, just like make a peaceful protest. It's like you are doing it as Nollywood or something. Not that you want to start destroy government property. You just give the government of your state a ultimatum of 14 days for Fulani herdsmen to leave Odigi, to leave Oriomo, to leave Esako and all of other. So that the people controlling these people from Abuja will be aware that these people, they are hungry. The government can only say it. Whatsoever you see, God said, whatsoever I hear you say, such will I do. Also the government. After God is the government. God used the government of this earth to fulfill some certain assignment. That's why if government bless you, give you money, EFCC not they investigate you. That is God for you. God in heaven is the same. The government on earth is the God on earth. But the law for we don't want to get it clear. How can now God is going to give you the one brain to think? What God does, the same way he energized the stone He gave energy to the stone that David used in killing Goliath. That's what he's also going to do in the lives of the Fulanis. Only whatever thing so far you say it with for, please leave this place. That word will ring it to their heart. If not, they will be afraid. God will back up that word with signs and wonders. We are expecting God to come from heaven. We are expecting the government. Imagine this very video. I don't think I can play. All of them will still complain. The same complaint. The third time they said they are coming to the village. The third time they are coming. They are also going to come again the fourth time. Somebody beat you the first time. Second time, what are you doing? Why are we saying this thing? If you hear about this message, extend it. Don't let be the type that want to share. I'm not doing it for money. My page is not monetized. You can see right now my page will be banned in March 14th. But I still managed to come out. Maybe this word can also heal one or two persons out. Before you know, we extend it. I feel pains for everything that's happening. They never kill me. They can't get here. Where you're going to but why am I concerned about it? A lot of us, we don't understand what's happening. But the little thing you learn here, extend it to your friends. We are not here playing politics. We mean whatever thing that we are doing. These people have letting you know, look at your leader have few to do. You have to do the remaining yourself. You are the one that stay in the village, not be the governor. If we are doing it, and the governor is telling you, why must you do it, then let's see what we, the born activists, what we can also do to the governor. You can just hear what Felicia Ibo was saying, the deputy governor of Edo State. Or well, we cannot just watch them massacre us. What did he mean by that? Minister for Defense spoke yesterday also. What did they mean by that? Don't just fold your hand and let these people come and kill you. Nobody said you should go and start fighting anybody. But you can mobilize yourself, the full community. Let the neighboring community, just the same way Uromi women came out the other day and said, who doesn't need Fulani. That small protest you just see that they did. It speaks volume. It means a lot to the Fulani communities. But how can you be keep on folding your hands? They visited your place right now 3 times.
So network. We call our party now. They think say government not ready to do anything because the governor is visiting our area for the 3rd time now. In 2017, he came to the community because of the Oshodi, Igworo, Abuere, Uboke, we are all sharing the same reserve that came to come out in Ekiadolo. You know, so he visited in 2017 and told us that he set up a committee to look into that problem. From 2017 till now, there is no action that was taken. So last week, they killed somebody, you know, the Fulani herdsmen. Because of that, the government went back to the last week and made a promise again that Fulani herdsmen are going to be treated like criminals. But we told the governor that we have heard that several times before now. What we need now is action. Not government will do this 3 years after, nothing will happen. We don't want that anymore. If government says a word, let government stand by that word and take precise action so that Nigerians can enjoy, Edo State citizens can enjoy. You can't be in your country, you can't be in your state and begin to live in fear. You know, so for us, we just said that.
Now, if you watch this man talking right now, this man very eloquent. Please, you guys should mobilize yourself. Nobody's encouraging you to go and fight. Mobilize yourself and just unite for once. The whole place, I think I talked about this Modigi inside last year here. The government is visited them, condolence visit the 3rd time. Even Mogopan and 2nd John Ikilan. This is the best the governor can give to you. Is he going to say he's not going to provide the security? After, before you start planning, you want to, okay, now, what is he going to deploy to Digi, for example? Form up a security architecture, then tell the government, look at what we have been able to come out with. If he has AK-47, he can give you AK-47. Please, use this one to defend yourself. Government want to do civil defense in the way they are cleaning up people. Mobilize with your own way. But each villages right now, they are assuming they doesn't have headers. But anytime I come here to come at all, a lot of you will start hunting, you know, they respect anybody. Say they lay cost on them. Why person not go lay cost for this kind of one? DOD, does he has a own way? Only what they know is to sell land. Now, what relationship did the Odion way or any Geni, for example, what did they have with the Fulani? And what active measure? Thank God the governor also came the 3rd time. How many time now did you hear that the Odion way have tried, or the other state may have tried, that it did not work, or did governor dissolve it? This is what the governor can do. If you want the governor to visit you again by April, he will always pay you visit. They know they use person will respond. They don't tell you say remove stone come for your eye. We are just deceiving ourselves. You can see now that even the topic I have on ground, I'm not going to be teaching it. I'm going to be skipping it. Later I can change out the heading there. So it's very disgusting that we keep on crying one thing. We keep on crying one thing. I know there are lapses in what, but you should know the government of Nigeria and what they are capable of doing. Even common police right now, the vigilante is the one doing the work of the police. The police are not doing their work. Could you know today Nigeria have no what is called this network tracker to track criminals? Come to Europe, come and kidnap anybody and demand for ransom. Whether on internet you take call, another line you take call, they will trace you right there. But Nigeria don't still have this system. We have a lot of problems. If I choose to be real at times and raw, a lot of you will start feeling, why would this guy be talking like this? If you are in this seat, I'm sitting down right now, maybe you will do more than me. I was telling a woman, I said, Madam, you are the first comrade I've seen. You need to see Pepe body over what all these things that's happening. But a lot of people, they still count it as joke. After all, it not concerns me. I do tell you, my pa is no longer alive. I want to say, the most painful death is that one stranger will come and kill your own father. I pray may it never be your portion. But I'm giving you information that would have taken you time to get. Organize yourself. Organize yourself. At least, by the total by the plan. If these people are in your city, you that same invitation, they invite them away. Please leave. We have had enough of these things. The governor cannot be driving Fulani herdsmen for you. Before they put down the architecture to say, okay, now we want to start looking for the bad Fulani. I know there are good Fulanis today. Who is going to suffer this thing? Even the bad one will not suffer, and the innocent people will suffer. The people that sold our land, that is how it look like at times. The people that sold our land, they will not suffer this thing. No. All those Odion way that sold your land, that is selling you out right now, instead of you to do your investigation, go to the Fulani herdsmen in peace. If you attend a number, wear tie, not carry ammunition. Please, Mala, Zo, Tafiki, he go come. Then how this thing come? He go explain to you now. In the course of that discussion, go tell you, say, look at how much you give to Odion, then you now know the best way to pull your anger. May not tell them, may give us our money. But nobody is doing all these things. This is how you will cry and cry and cry. The whole place go finish. You are expecting all that from me. I think I saw in my comment, the video I did yesterday, one idiot were saying Buhari never die. You see one idiot. Do you think Buhari is alive? He will leave his name to be spoiled like this. Buhari not go feel leave his name. Buhari with me and you know. It will not be so wicked to that extent, but people are using his name. At the time you are gone, things would have been hard, but not to this time. If the international committee want to even involve now, they don't see Buhari arrest. That's why they are doing what they are doing. You can see that it is clear. It is very glary that Hope Uzodinma, he is one of the sponsors of Fulani. No helicopter have been deployed to Sylvester Forest. No Fulani herdsmen today killer that is in detention awaiting trial. But you can see how they are locking up our activists up. But somebody will still come and say, Buhari, let everyone assume say you know say you want to gather the eat. You are supposed to curse him that he is dead among the living. But you see, now me and you get problem. You come here, start attacking whatever anything activists say. Now as my power reach, my father and my mother, they are not in any village. Likewise you yourself that say it not concern you. I can choose to say it not concern me. But being that we are Christians, we read the Bible. What is written down in the book of Matthew 7, verse 5? Matthew chapter 5, verse 7, sorry. He said, blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy. If you are merciful on people, God will definitely, in the time of your mercy, God will have mercy on you. So all this is we are saying, let not tag this particular problem to one part person. Don't tag it to anybody. What can you do? What else can we do? Where are we going from here? We count it at times. Like now, a lot of people, they will not want to share this very video. After all, it doesn't. I'm not monetizing my page. I don't know what's how to monetize page. So some of the information that I'm giving out here right now may help a full community. Everything I've said until everyone start keying into the ideology to see how they can solve this problem. A jumping from tree to tree of a baby monkey does not make him a babu, but a start. All this you are saying is going to linger for long. The governor has visited the place, Odigi, the third time. Governor has spent 4 years in Osadebe Avenue. Let's say 4 years and 2 months or thereabout. He has visited the place. Anything that made governor visit your place, that is to say, he's not happy about what is happening. But what measure is the community putting down? Now, governor, they sell land for that community there. Most communities today, if you check them, even they are selling lands. They know they put garden down for school. They know they create land for school. They know they say, okay, we have a very big city. Let's make this place to become a garden in case for future. They say everything. We are seeing most community in Edo. They'll call they go school for another community. Maybe they also be your community. They say everything. That's what the audience ways them do. They don't live a life as if they are living in 21st century. At times, they cannot even create down good road. No space for good road. Or is to sell everything. Now, if the governor had been given the chance to be the one selling lands, government know the way to create things out. You go walk, boy, you will see put the Dotra Park, okay, here. Let the Dotra Park be here. But our community leader, they don't care. Even the youth. Go and see Roningbe today. There is no one single development in Roningbe. All we have there, we have politicians everywhere. Roningbe people have been playing politics since for the past how many decades? Let's say since 1999. They have been in forefront of politics. Ask me one thing where they Roningbe. If it's even possible for them to sell that local Roningbe, therefore sell the wicked politicians. Not infrastructure there. Is it not the same under Governor Obaseki right now that Roningbe rubber estate that they plan it out again? Nobody cares. Even the youth are not concerned that they are going there to go and make money. What makes you to be successful in life is the environment that you are living. People from America today, people from all parts of Europe, they are proud because they've been able to build up their society. We have not been able to build up our society. No talk of our lives. If you are the only one that is rich in your community, then every other person, they are riffraff. Nobody will respect you. There is a way your society also raise your morale. If you just tell anybody now you are an African from Nigeria, anytime when we come to Europe newly, 2005, 23, 24, 25, we do here, they always ask us. For the Spanish people who also read books and all of that, who get here too, then they ask, I don't they arrest to ¿Qué país? You tell them, it says, to País Miracle, that is your country rich. Because they're not the one, because petrol, not the oil, not the Spain here. ¿Por qué está aquí sufriendo? Why are you here suffering? Tu país más rico que mi país. Nigeria más rico que España. ¿Qué está haciendo aquí? But our people were trooping in. We were doing road work. Women go fight on road. Who don't even know how to tie road. Who don't know how many meters square they do a manner of things. That was what bring our respect down today. So if anybody call you black monkey, it is because the way your leader have been able to structure our thing. Nobody's ready. Even look at the same you today right now, you and I. Look at all Nigerian Association in Jand. Somebody will just be president just to do police reports. That's all. They don't speak against bad governance. All they are interested in, one information come out from embassy, they spread it to the platform. Hey, so and so, police report next week. That one shouldn't be the main purpose why you are being elected. You can see that there are lapses everywhere. The way you are blaming your government, even in your own little way, you are supposed to be blamed. Because what you are supposed to tell these people, you are not telling them. The cause you are supposed to cause them, you are not causing them. We to do all. Only me wants to go to river. Only me wants to quote Bible. Only me wants to swear Ogun. Only me wants to do all. At the end of the day, you call me sinner. Now you righteous. Now why am I swearing Ogun? I swear Ogun because I want you to have good life. It's not a part of me. Everybody or not, my father not even I know Whether everywhere with the thing they do Igwe cola not, or whether na even, whether na head that they put, I don't know. My pa no do Igwe one day. I never met my father one day they do Igwe. All those are when you know they when you. It was just a simple man. Okay, my father lived a life that he not send all those things. That me you can't send them. I became a sinner because of the life you are living. I became a sinner because I want the best for your children. Okay, look at the society we are living down for our children to come and inherit. It's a very painful thing. That what we go through, we are wanting our children to go through it. The same name that we were called, we want our children to be called the same name. It's a very painful thing. That most of all, even the little we can do, we are not doing them. You come from any village, mobilize the people. Send this message out there. Share it. If I don't let you talk, share this video. The reason why you share video, okay, if you can share contaminated video on how they insulted the man, what do you want people to learn from it? This one is about you and I. How we are supposed to have life. A lot of things I talk about here, many of you may want to start taking it personal. I'm not saying it personally to you. It's for everybody. There are people that this thing will hit their heart. Automatically, they will change. They will change. You come here to come and insult me in comment. My father is not going to die mysterious dead again, or my beloved mother is going to die mysterious dead again. Odigi, third time of Obaseki going to Odigi for condolence visit. The same people. Is that normal? That's the best thing the man could do. You are telling them, okay, when Moses were taking the children of Israel out of Egypt, they were in wilderness. He come across a Red Sea. Not be God tell and say, may carry walking stick for nobody. God said, go to bless the labor of our hands. Until we get it clear, it can't happen. Now, every one of us have not been able to unite. Not to talk of looking for one particular solution to some problem. There's no unity among ourselves. Some wicked person right now because of jealousy. This boy see they alive. Upon how we don't put and receive the shine. They'll begin to write unnecessary comment. Now, waiting at you talk about my personal problem. I'm asking you money. If there are area where I'm making mistakes, if you are sensible enough, put in a comment there. Maybe after the end of the day, I'll still read them. I'll learn from you. I can't suffer. Me, I just use the word suffer the way you come. If you were to be too rosy, I don't go past land. How many Grenadian children pass land to Europe? How many Tinubu children pass land to Europe? 9 me pass, 9 you pass. Then I'm here trying to give the little account. You are insulting me. You shouldn't be doing that. Now, Moses were having something in his hand where he take follow body. Say, okay, this thing one day will be useful. God called Moses. What is that in your hand? He said, a rod. God said, go to bless the labor of your hand. Oh, the people, what measure did you have of ground? What area did you need the help of the government? It come to a time Habakkuk was complaining. Let me bring into our understanding. Maybe Fulani may occupy the land of Habakkuk. Who knows? Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 3 there in your Bible. But next tomorrow right now we'll be going to church. The reason why I'm always using you guys to make example, very difficult example like this, is for you to think that church is not for Holy Spirit alone. You can study the word of God and become who God wants you to be. It's not about spiro. Habakkuk will complain and God called Habakkuk, say write the vision. What did you need Habakkuk? Write it down. Let it play. Whosoever that read it. That's why every of my claims I always put it on media. I prefer to put it here. If you want to start out in my English, be comparing one, he's saying in Biodunga, see English, go and be stressing my he for she. You not concern me. The Fulani yes man that is killing you today, even the Hausa Fulani that is ruling Nigeria today, they don't even know how to speak good English. They are not scholar in English. You say my papa, mama, they Chris. That's how they insult themselves. We have seen them several times. People have used it for joke. These are the people worrying up today. Most of them, they're not the bad, they are unkept. They be like Ninije Buzu. The people, those aliens, some of them you see in this thing. But who have given them the right to start marching over you? You are the one that gave them the right to start marching over you. You are expect Buhari to come and say, yes, buy AK-47. Buhari will never say that. I think ESN right now, they don't hold their... I will say not be opus or demon, will be bad head, where the day against these people. They have succeeded before. And they are still succeeding. The news is out there in social media. They brought one helicopter, whatever, or military for yesterday, precisely or day before yesterday, on a gun battle. On a gun battle. They fought one. So I felt one Nigerian people. Muna not go fight with these people. In the book of Numbers, there's a called King Sion, the king of Amorite. Moses can't send letter to him. Please, king, may you live long. We want to pass through your city. We are not going to look left, nor look right. But you allow us pass. The king of the Amorite, he said, no, he not agree. You know what Moses do? Moses, you pray to God. He said, God, give us the power. More take it. They finish all of them. They finished every one of them. They captured the city. Even the neighboring city, where we say the vote and first commission, they conquer all of them, Jonah. That's what God can do. If you are saying the same God yesterday, today, and forever, don't you see the secret God of Moses today? So if I talk more about ESN, I'm not be Igbo man. I'm not an Igbo man. I don't have a boyfriend as an Igbo person. I'm telling you about this thing so that you don't go and be putting your mouth in where you are not supposed to put your mouth, or in the name of playing politics. It's not all about me here. It's not all about me. No. Or how long am I going to deny you, listen to you guys that let's forget about politics and face policy? I might be wrong in my statement, but that is my own opinion. I get it to be good in this very kind of situation we are facing. So Habakkuk complain and complain and complain. God said, write the vision, let it play. So that's whatever that ready we done with it. Also, or those how you go delay. He said, but wait for him. He must surely speak. That's it. We don't have any structure on the ground. All we always complain about is the government. It is when you went and meet the governor, governor empower us. The governor refused. If you are not narrating the governor is the one causing this thing. We went and write him a letter, at least. Let it give us some uniform. He refused to give us. That's what we are going through, what we are going through today. No measure on ground. No measure on ground. You cannot expect the governor right now. He will not be the one to start giving you AK-47. The day when you go even shoot and say the gun no, he not strike, you will still blame the governor. So the best he can give to you is to pay you visits. Because now you want me, you they die for ignorance. But you, the youth, you can go to the bush and cut out land. As your own way they sell them, the bad one inside. You they cut them for them. When I know they pull land down to even take and say, a time will come, school support day here. You not concern on we now sell everything. Today, we can't go see sell land now. Give una oppressor. The government per se have little to do. Because the personal relationship between your own way and this Fulani herdsmen is more than the one the governor have with this Fulani herdsmen. The news that was going about the other day, when a lot of people were insulting 4+4 terrorists, whatever, because those things, I know now let's stupid idiots go keep on they do one thing and expect a different result. I did not respond to anybody. But I told you guys I'm not going to come here to start explaining the reason why the governor made mention statement like that. But the governor right now have came out again and said his own decision since last said that he's not going to give land to any Fulani herdsmen for grazing, just the same way poultry is. If you have not given any land for poultry, people that are going fishery, into bears, into piggery, and all of all that, why will he give land to Fulani? I think he have cleared the hair right now. Una virus now don't last for nobody. Now you have cleared the hair. What other measure do you have on ground? We have no measure. Most of you today, you are, because you are in the city, you are denying that you doesn't have a village. That these people should ravage everywhere. At times it makes me sick. That how do we get here? People don't think. All we want to listen to is some messages that don't go to heal our land. Some messages that will not make any positive impact in our society. None of all that. At times we protect our society because of the children. I've seen women, I've seen men who doesn't even have children. But whatever thing they are putting in their hand, what we have fed the children in society, they know they put their hand. They know they put their hand. I've seen people like me who have no father, who have no mother, who is fighting for the same society. Who not the Kanu Papa? He don't die. His mama don't die now. He don't die. But why will he still be saying they are raping our mother, they are raping they are killing our fathers? because he felt that your father under normal condition, logically, is also his father. That's how Africa is supposed to be. But we are not taking it like that. If I say that, don't always feel, say you don't already there here, waiting for the help for your country, not concern you. These people, all these Eurocentric, they contributed to make sure with the Afrocentric, our life is bad. That's why they stress you with everything. No, okay, look at America right now. Most of the places, there's power outrage. No water, no light. For some days, this is even killing people. Do you think African weather, we can have such a weather in our generation? No, it can't be. But Nigeria right now, I think they are going through, particularly Edo State, excessive harmattan also. It's happening right now in Edo State. That people are not even complaining. That won't be big climate change or whatever. What am I trying to buttress here is this. Let's not be too over-comfortable because of the life these people have given to us. We also have a planet where we belong. We also have a planet whereby this Eurocentric was supposed to even come. We will give them a residential permit to stay in our land. What have we done that make us to deserve this bullshit all the time? SS code when there is sun. Some people just make your home to be deserted for you to be here. Not that they love you so much, because they know what you are giving. Imagine your place of work right now. Imagine the kind of work you are doing. White man cannot do it. A white woman cannot do it. Most of the children that are brilliant here in Europe, some of them, your child can be one of the top brilliant students that they are going to be tomorrow sending for competition. Is it not helping them? What do you think they are doing for you that you cannot get in your country if your contribution was to, if your country were to be good? But they will not allow you get it. You have to stand up for it by yourself. Work towards it. Let's mobilize ourselves, gather our energy, and don't always focus our attention here. After all, I'm residential permit right now. Any person that talked about it, you feel that the person is already talking to you. A day is going to come, you want to just say, you usually die here more than even the Nigeria. Here, there's no uncle, there's no auntie, no friend who gotta go school. Maybe some friend where you still meet for here, and most of them are witch. Either they are jealousing you because you have made child they don't have. Either they are jealousing you because your husband is fine, their own is not fine. Friends, they Europe. But if you not feel made friend for Upper, for Edo, you feel made for Oselu. You can come to your house, sleep in your house, go to your house and sleep. Look at the friendship in Europe. Just easily, you know, record you and go and carry out. A time you go to come at 60, you get tired. You will just get tired. The only strength you have was supposed to wear one singlet at that time. You have to start wearing jackets. So the reason why we have seen a lot of things that is not going to go well in your old age. That's why we are agitating. We are really just agitating for ourselves. A lot of African countries today right now, they are trying to buckle up to make sure that they fix up things for themselves. But what measure do we have on ground? What future are we trying to prepare down for ourselves? Do you think what we are doing right now at the age of 40, you can do it 55? You can't do it. You can't do it. This code, now what did they make a book with the old? Don't you see that during summer, they'll go stay for sun? Then they regret how we say, now they not get Africa weather. Oh, but no one will know the regret. How we say now they get Africa weather. That's why you see them in some area, a lot of them go to Kenya, they go to Tanzania, they go, some of them even they go Uganda. Don't they reach this thing, they go back Ghana there. Now let Nigeria now because Boko Haram, a lot of them they fear because as soon as they see them for news, they'll suffer go back. They like the weather. We have a lot of Igbo today. Now Nigeria therefore make their money. Now, what have we been able to achieve in this same Europe land? You cannot buy land here. If you were to be Africa, money where you don't touch, at least you'll still buy something now. Every one of us is still paying rent. People will even buy herself. I don't think maybe some pay 15 years at the end of the day, unable to pay back will constantly carry their house. So, not be person where say saw the word, not be too stick put. Me that giving all this analysis, not be me, only me one go suffer on tomorrow. I may not even be part of the people that's going to suffer. One, I know waiting day. Two, I know where they go. But it will be better that every one of us unanimously will have a very good life. There's no way you will ever die, and the ancestors of this place, they will not accept you. They will not accept you. So at least we have been more than civilized right now to still be going through what we are going through today in a foreign land. Every one of us came here because the country was bad, hoping everything will be fixed. But trying to even settle a lot of things politically right now. Look at the crisis we are facing. And what measure, I put myself in this also, what measure do we have in place for our lives? Are we going to keep on saying Black Lives Matter? Are we going to keep on saying Black Lives Matter? At 70 years, you still go out because they bruised one. There was something that happened in Dublin. That was December precisely, when a guy was shot. I know it do happen at accidental discharge or whatever. Are you now going to go, you start going for protest at the age of 70? Black Lives Matter. You hold plaque at the age of 70, down and suffer. What you think right now you are doing down for you to enjoy your life, it may fall later on your own detriment. You get where you go old rich. Wait till your power suppose to feed the resist. Now ankle like this. Maybe after you don't wear nika, you do as you put on your bill of Budian. You cannot do it here in Europe now. Where you for one doing winter? Winter now you want doing. Old man will never carry himself worker. What did they kill all those boat? Now call they kill them. Even the heater you are talking about, if the what does happen, I get heater for house. I will tell my children, my dear, the heater not even the good for body. The heater not the good for body. Check all white man at the age of 60. Except the one with the go gym, go check out their life. Their life don't move yet finish. Here do you move? Because they have a very bad weather. If things can change, they would have preferred, may we stay here, they will go to Africa. May we even send Oyibo people go Africa just for only 1 year. See how they go better that place. But if you are covering up, it don't concern you. If people see some kind of video in your page, or see some kind of comment you are writing, you have a lot of friends that are all these vampires. So you are not inconveniencing your friends with some posts, apart from nonsense. Don't you know the reason why you share some certain things? It make them to be afraid. It make them to be afraid. If you share it, all our political bad leaders, God will punish them. Everybody is hashtagging it. Only where you foresee insult for video for the Obini, who is insulting all our political bad leaders, all our chieftains that have sold off hearts. Now my platform, nobody they don't. Then you want the door to be great like that. Leaving the world for only one person. We are not even talking about the suffer that is going to come ahead of time. Because I've said it is a vow I've made. If you need to go Nigerian to fame, it is revealed spiritually saying how you doing. Your family will be eradicated from the face of the earth. So if you are planning anything, hold it to yourself. What I'm doing it for a better society. If you go to Torino today in Italy, there's a place there in Torino, the people that fought for freedom, where the mother put it there. No country that have not struggled for one thing or the other. Freedom comes by struggle. But now only black man, if you say you want to have a better society, you don't want to do anything about it. You want to have a better society by WhatsApping. Man where he die, say they've tried to protect the people, die for war. He no better pass who the you collect take key for his house. It is better to die as a man than to live as a coward. So if you start to protect your ancestral land today, you are also helping your children to live. Imagine the confession that guy make. Let me see if I can roll it there. The confession he make. He say no get papa right now. That was the confession the boy make.
In Edo State Forest, they killed my brother Omojuwa Afemi. Where they killed it, this my brother is of your North East. Ugboke, Oshodi, Arinya, Okodo, Ofitebe,
We have no peace. We cannot go to farm again. Both the men and the women cannot go to farm again. Please, I need government assistance. If not, they will kill us finish. May government help us.
This is this Apple. My brother is coming for travel. They come for travel. As they come, they come me say, estimate they block road, they kill 2 persons for ground. Before you come out reach the village, now they block camp on the road. They begin to fire and they shoot and they kill them. Before we reach the all of the door, they all gone. They will cut our planty, they will destroy our crop, they go put fire for our farm. We not even the talk, we not get what we want talk. We dey beg government now, make government come help us because we not get power for our own. We not get gun, we not get anything. Make government, Obaseki, make come help us. We use God beg am. We not get power for ourselves. See my brother, see Fulani estimate one. That's why we come here to come and report because we not get power for ourselves.
My father is lying down at UBTH mortuary. He was killed by herdsmen with same set of faces. My father was at the same community, at the Gwoki community. So I'm telling you right now, I'm fatherless. No one to give me advice. Nobody, no one to plan with me. Nothing. What do you want me to do right now? I'm suffering and I also want you to suffer. What do you want me to do right
now? Now, Benin will always say what you're asking me about. This boy, the reason why you see a lot of people, when Goliath God raise up his fucking head against the children of Israel, and he sorted the God of Israel. He sought all of them. David, a small boy, came out because the thing pain him from mind. He pain him. He come out and say, I will kill with these uncircumcised Philistines. At times I give most of us here a lot of stories. I'm not just saying it. I become whom I am today because I want a better society. This is not a feed of, okay, what it concerns to make concern Bible, for example. I am an engineer. And my engineering work, by the grace of God, I'm perfect in doing it. But why did I also intend to go this path? Because I feel like what I'm doing also have a positive impact to play in our lives. Nobody definitely knows tomorrow. This boy never knew he's going to be fatherless. This very year, never knew about it. But look at what's happening right now. But nobody is standing up to say, look at now you are shouting on the government. There's nothing bad about you calling the government. God bless you. But the government hands are tight. The government, God cannot do for you what they are giving you power to do for yourself. It's like you marry right now. You want to enjoy sex. You also pray, God, help me also that I enjoy my wife. No, you are going to delay measure in doing that. Whether you are going to be using doggy style, God cannot be turning your wife on the bed for you. Or God will want to speak to your husband in the dream. Well, do this thing so that your wife can be enjoying you. No. Also the same thing with the government. At times it pissed me off. I felt sorry over what is happening to this very young boy. But what are these people doing about it? The government will also come again and pay you a condolence visit. Now, a city that be deserted, they can't go to farm. Why did they have the Odion way? These are the work of the Odion ways. These are the work of the leaders. By the grace of God today, I am a CEO of an association, whether people like it or not. If anything is happening, my own is to see how best I can do things. None of my members have ever wanted. They call me, then I will be sleeping. I must pick your call. We must solve it together. That's leadership for you. What is all this Odion way doing? Not only to sell land. That's the reason why you share this video at time. People will watch it. They will extend this message home. So we never knew that the duty of Odion way is not only to sell land. It's to oversee the people. He's the general overseer. He sees things spiritually, physically. So that if better things also coming. The reason why they always reflect it to Odion way and say, governor is coming today. He want to come to Odion. He cannot come to you, ordinary person in the village. He go to the Odion way house. If he's giving the Odion way handshake envelope, he not go reach your hand inside. These are the reasons why we all charge them to carry their responsibility. Most of you will be counting it as a personal problem to Comrade Newton. No. It's not my personal problem here. It's not my personal problem. So who knows the farm they are going to be visiting tomorrow? Who will be happy that he or she lost his brother? No matter how that wicked that brother may be. So we are putting all these things here. Prevention is better than cure. That's why these things are coming out. It's not coming out because I'm not fighting anybody right now. I don't love to do so because me, I hate insults. One thing where I hate pass for my life, not being insulted. I know they like them. I can do my activism, talk to any leaders. Why am I talking to them? For them to change what they are doing. Now, where are we going from here? Everybody chatting, government. Yes, you are chatting. What did you have in your hand? What did you have in your hand? Nobody have anything in his hand. This is the first temptation we have ever gotten. We all know that right from time. We are waiting for, okay, how many soldiers we bought? Let's even assume right now. The same federal government hate these people. They also need your support to fight them. Not to talk of federal government, police, army, they are all full and they are all working on the same agenda. Now let you want to be an ordinary person inside. The reason why I personally commended ESM for you to pray for them. But don't be part and parcel of those people who insult them. Don't be a part and parcel of it. The reason why I give you commendation, just support them in whichever way you can. Because nobody knows tomorrow. People are inside the bush right now. Protecting lives. Doing what your government was supposed to do. Then in all the belleful you still have the right to start criticizing these people. And let's even assume, with the generation, people of 40s, end of 40s, 50s, 60s, we have failed. But let also pity the children that's growing up. They can't fight this battle because they are not buffalo soldiers. You expect that any child they born for John come they talk the way that they talk, so they don't get time. They are ready to relocate, go and find work in Russia. We have to make a better nation for them. If we miss it, it's gone. Automatically, your children will not know your ancestral land. But if the land is okay, by now, people that their children is up to about 18 years by the grace of God, you can start taking your child home, teach your child a lot of things. Son, if we go home this December, we are going to go for hunting. My son, have you seen this kind of, this animal is called antelope. Dad, I haven't seen that before. I only see one day in the movie, you go say, no, we'll go and hunt for it. You'll carry your picking, go fancy, go show away. All those things. So that the gods of your land, it will be used to the ancestors of your place. You don't know what it takes. Oh, you know, our enemy might behave. But you may not get it right now. People are not really understanding my blind. A lot of things I say here, I don't have personal problem with anybody. If you are sitting in this very my seat, maybe you will do more than me. I want only just to listen, let's digest it. What is my saying? Does it have any huge significance in our lives? I have a topic today. A gracious servant for great success. I have to let it go. I have to let it go. I'm even stressing myself right now trying to talk. Because I have a topic already which me and the Holy Spirit don't already discuss. Please, let's try our possible best to see how to solve this man. If you join your effort on my own, we join it together. Anything that we know that is evil, that will contaminate our society, let's avoid it. It may not be for you. Okay, look at how people take the issue of cultism today. If I were to be in government, I will arrest Wole Soyinka, who invented cultism. It was Wole Soyinka and 6 other people that invented cultism. That was many years ago. I've talked about it before in this very platform. That was what Wole Soyinka leaving behind. Look at how Edo people have taken cultism. Cultism have not done anything in Edo that is positive apart from negativity. They are leaving it behind. What about something worse than cultism? It comes to enter Edo. You that couldn't control your child from being a cultist. How will you be able to beat your child away from the other side? So most of the things I say here is not about me. I might have the grace. Did you have the grace? That's the question. Your child may have the grace. Your neighbors, whatever, did they have the grace? The reason why we're always agitating for a better society, if your society is good, your children, nothing will influence them. Nothing will influence them. You can just feel, all my children, they are well disciplined. I don't give a fuck. Whatever anybody does. My dear, your friend, your son or your daughter has also a close friend that can easily lure them because the society has permitted cultism. That's why you are seeing what you are seeing in Edo State today. Most of these people that are cultists today, not that they lack discipline from their parents, but their friends lured them into it. Because it has now become something that is legalized. But if you and I speak against it, the government have no option. You get where you're going to start blaming the government. The government, these are your children. I always target to the government. Please, government, protect life and property. A time is going to come, we are going to be choosing a leader based on how many people that will give you trophy. People are saying Donald Trump today is one of the best American presidents. Do you know what? He don't go war. Donald Trump have a very strict policy right now that a lot of people don't like it in the area of document. But there are other people also that this thing has benefited in the area of security, in the area of removing a lot of things that used to be there before that Obama bring. So what I support most is what pollutes the society. I'm always against it. What will make pollution to lead the society is what I always support. I can't be opposing you. You will feel that I have personal problem with you. No. Because what the perspective I'm seeing this whole thing from is different from your own. There are ways society, okay, look at social media is a society. Don't you see the way most people are misbehaving? You can see the way they are misbehaving. Because that's what is there in social media. But if Mark Zuckerberg place restriction that all this you have to stop, it will stop. Because it will be bastardized with evil. That's whatsoever that is coming that does not have the Spirit of God or you're spoiling head. Before you know, you start doing nonsense. Look at those social media. I'm not trying to say I'm the best, but I'm working towards perfection. There are a lot of things people do today. I don't do it. I will never. I'm ashamed of it, but people enjoy doing it. You see a man engaging with a woman by vocal talk. Now, if that woman really want to come and fight you, there's no way you can fight a woman. Any man that wage war against a woman, that man is useless. You can't do it. Women, they are wired to make some certain problem. That's why I know they talk for their side. Have you ever wanted to see? No. It don't concern me. If you are a very good follower to these people, after listening to my message, you are convinced, maybe you can boldly tell them and say, my dear, well, when we stop it now, we're now way too much now, you know. Then you can carry on and tell them. Man is to drop it there. Go out there, discuss with your people whether they are going to stop it or they are going to continue. So most of those things you are seeing here is not my personal issue or I have any grievances towards anybody. I want to start using this medium to reach you. No, I will not do that. I'm above that. What I want is for us to have a better society. We have a better society today in Jand. Like in my city right now, every Friday now, because of this same lockdown, you cannot leave your city once it's 3 o'clock. You cannot drive and leave your city. If I drive 5 minutes away from where I am right now, I'm going to be coming across a checking point. They will send me back. Say, no puedo salir tu pueblo ahora, a casa. Even though you they go Lala Mila, they won't allow you. But if you are coming in, they check your residence. So, okay, bring the paper of your car, you bring it to them. They check your residence, say, okay, now that you can go in. But say they come out, my dear, you have to postpone it till tomorrow. All those are principles. These are principles. What we are seeing today was not there inside last 2 years, but we never expected it. So fixing up our nation is something that needs to be done by everybody. Don't say this does not concern you. What happened in Olu today, it touches my heart. That Opu, let me lay course on my political ballot. That don't mention me, not they mention anybody's name. Hashtag it. I want to be sister of you posting picture. All our political ballot that read some verses of the Bible with one way you know. God will punish all our political ballot. At the time, anytime they enter Facebook, they find out that these people they are waking up. But if you come here, you start insulting me, haunting my English. See I be, see big head. My dear, we don't want to solve this situation. Why did I choose to support IPOB in their struggle? If Nigeria is divided today, Full and ASM will not be in anywhere. They will not be in anywhere. Even when ESL came out, after they launched it, I watched out, the Spirit of God interpreted to me, there is a power behind these people. I said it. Could you know Una the Kanu by himself carry my video, cut him, put on for a page. I was never expecting it. The most powerful leader, a freedom fighter in the world. He gave me that recognition. It was just a normal thing the way I talk right now. He put it there. I'm not an Igbo man. But what am I? But if we are sensible enough, we should be able to know that what is good and what is bad. If you put anything for granted today, you they do them, and I struggle, I go support you. So Mo will draw one rope. Our common enemy here are the Fulani herdsmen. Our common enemy here are the Fulani herdsmen. People who gotta do all these things together on social media, not many. We have politicians in Edo. It's only when you sort of Basaki they'll come and defend. But they can only talk about this because they don't know where they're going to start from. They may talk about it, they'll go kill them and deny. But one thing is confident about the government God have given to me. You need to continue wherever thing you are. Anywhere they mention your name, I will appear your name. That's what gives me encouragement. You that watch it, have you ever one day, may God help that boy the way I also pray for people way past me. I've raised up prayers for Una the Kano Samuel Ekpa. Auto Sunday Igboho in the Mediterranean Sea. Very powerful prayer. I raise this up for them. Did you, in your own privacy, and say God will bless that man without you counting my errors? This thing I'm saying right now, he may help your brother, he may help your uncle, he may help your sisters, he may help your brother, he may help your family members. May God not let bad thing happen, say something happen for Edo today. Who not go? Everybody go be around. It must affect everybody. As it does, they come so. You're sharing the video, you are tagging society information. If you can also share my own, share other people's own that talked about the well-being of Nigerians. Where we are today is not where we are supposed to be. Go and check our GDP, compare with Spanish GDP. I do tell you, the reason why I begin to check out population density of which country, you don't know. Switzerland, where is World Bank, they are 8 million in number. Switzerland, where there is World Bank. Monaco in France is 39,000. Monaco in France is 39,000. Luxembourg, I think it's 600. It's 600,000. Luxembourg. Name it. What about Dublin? Almost population with Edo. So if Edo today, for example, become a state of Eldorado, that is to say, with the population density of Dublin and the one of Edo, if our country were to be good, you will not even be taking passport from Dublin. If it is by population, you would go and take from UK that is almost about 67 million. 67 million in the UK, for example. Then why Spanish is 46 million? But in all, combine a lot of 10 cities here in Europe is not to the population of Nigeria. But here we are, anywhere but left face. If I tell you at times, giving you is just a miss of identification. It's not something we are, including me. Or let me use myself as an example here. It's not something I should be proud of. Because I have where I belong. That is full of milk and honey. I'm here because my leader wants to punish me. A lot of us today, some of the pains we go through is caused by cold. A lot of us today, our infertility we cannot take in on time is because of the cold and the food that you eat. The vitamin you get when you eat one basket of a banana, for example. When you eat one basket of banana here, banana that they get here, the vitamin you get is not up to vitamin you get when you eat one stick of banana for house. Only one banana like this. Because it's fertilizer. Here in Europe is where I see that you start eating medicine for iron. That you lack iron. This is what plantain you back for whole day. You see iron for your body. Pumpkin leaf, just drink and miss some. Who want you get self blood. But here you go eat leaf tire. So what we are taking as a testimony today. Now our leader, now cause not be testimony before. Most of us, our destiny, we are to call here, learn something, get money, go home, and invest on your purpose. A lot of us, we are supposed to be a trader. But where you for one trade for here? Yeah, why you stay cut your neck now? Where you want trade? Do you know how many people that have Africa shop? Because one business or the other they were doing. All of them, some of them get problem. And that can even because of that, because it's one-sided business. No allow them make they come to gossip for your shop. Where me no go where they me? Okay, first they come from Nigeria, we buy everything. Maybe once in a while, come buy here from your hand, red or here. Now down you want to meet up. But because our country is bad, a lot of us today, the money we have sent to our parents to help us do one thing. If you were the one going home yourself, just Dubai, Nigeria, Italy, Torino, France, just they do your business, they go. A lot of us, we are born to be a business mogul. But today we are stuck here. Some people today become a full-time housewife. Not that they want it like that. A lot of people today become a single mother. Have you ever one day seen me here among about single mother? Do you know what made that woman to be single mother? You don't know? Do you know what made the man to become a single man, whatever, what name did they call them? You don't know? So I've never one day come here one day and start mocking at people. But at times I do some certain teaching to change our aspiration and our thinking towards certain things that we are even thinking it in the negative part. Most of us today, we are even regretting. To the money you have made and to the one that you can count of is a waste. If the country is good today, you can function there. You can have ballet here. You go stay for Bongo 6 months. Who will lawa? Now we marino. Who will live a life you work here? That one will make you to be unique among all your friends. They come here and seek counsel from you. Imagine you go to Nigeria, you have to protect yourself with Ogbaligbe. Just come on visit. How are you going to do that? You cannot sleep in the house you build. You cannot do business. You cannot open shop and stay in the front of the shop and sell something. Now, how are you fulfilling your destiny? There are most of you are supposed to be doing a change of goods and services. Most of you were supposed to have bar. You cannot live anymore. Every black man have his own purpose. Maybe naturally I was born to build houses for people. That's why I'm still building houses here. But I want the only boy, my yet or Africa. Me only me with feeling. You cannot do feeling here. You can't do feeling here. Me na you make pocket in your for fun that wa. All the liberal work you see, you don't know. Hell, all your matter say exercise. You see a lot of people working their side, not be greediness. Don't be so surprised you see me for Bongo one day. I they do some work. Not laugh me say that boy no with them there. A fatigue one. No. They make your body strong. All the bad sweat go to come out for your body. There are a lot of people in this room, they have never sweat once. You know why? They are kind of work that they do. It not require sweat. It will be anywhere. There is something that is not with that. Check when you go find all those better sweat will come out for your head. Everywhere go the rain, all your clothes will come soak. Now sickness they come out for your body. So all those roasted yam is something. Aka or redenaton bole. There are a lot of food here, like we are eating chemicals. That's why these days fibro is much than the way it was before. When we were growing up, even when we came here only, we know the hear. But nowadays, fibroid. You go to Le Mans Church and I pray for you. Say in the city of miracle, where fibroid became a fanboy. So some of this we hear here is not to scorn us, rather than to just open our understanding. We have to open each other's understanding. I can also learn through your comment. At time before I sleep, I can only watch the video over and over again. I have to first of all check out the comments. A lot of you, thank you for your comments. It's also educating. That's why I do say we are doing this together. All glory, the glory that is coming, even the blessing will share it. I even want your own to be bigger so that next tomorrow you have the strength that since I'll be following this very man, it will be blessing on the way. But I know that they'll definitely, in the process of time, when they were narrating me over whether I don't know how much money, God also increased my GDP. God also increased my GDP. So all hands need to be on desk. One person don't fit do this one. Me, I can see set trap. The little I know then. I want a state whereby I will still go to bush. But one thing I will not do, my hand not fit touch sand because hand glove. I don't feel you slipper, take go the cut, this thing again, grass again. Nothing will even touch me. I will be enjoy doing it. If I want to cut fair tree, now muscle now go use. I don't go to over labor myself again. But there are lives we need to live again. That's why in the book of Proverbs 22 verse 28, he said, remove not the ancient landmark which your father has set up. Most of you today that are watching me right now, particularly the women, you might still be interested to also go and pick Gary. But the society in Edo will not allow you. But they not go kidnap you, won't do it. All those things are exercise. You can see carry you want to do it yourself. But the society will not permit you. Most of the time they'll say people with the jam. I know a lot of people from can't do the hair, no, like me personally, like me, I know they from. Now dirty clothes will take the work now. You need to see me at times, you may not even recognize me. They work in a fair, you're not botiti. I've seen multi-millionaires who have impressor. Please, if you cannot talk on media, you can pray. Let persistently be having it in mind where we want more than this. Under normal condition, our leader is not supposed to be killing us, but you can see the handwriting everywhere today as if they have sold us out, and it's very glary. So, amen, don't explain them and what way me down. Go and ask couples or Dima, why does it deploy military to Olu to go and start hunting for ESN? ESN did not say Fulani yes, go to the city and stay. Stop raping our mothers. Stop killing our fathers. Stop eating our crops. What is bad about that? There's nothing bad. But why will any Benin man still be fighting such a man? At times I reason it. What do we really want? What do we really want, and what's our problem? So it is very, very difficult to cope up with a lot of things as far as this world is concerned. Today, right now, I'm a little bit calm because immediately is so. All this you are seeing today, not before only one person. Can coke kill anybody in Nigeria? It kill a lot of people that coke kill in America. I know that is a natural disaster in a way. But Almighty will soon know that evil tells us the can't go where they get this year, they never get her once. To the essence, no water, people are dying. People have to evacuate their house right now and go and find refuge somewhere where light for not off. Then we have a country that is full of milk and honey. When God was creating Africa, He created everything so bright and beautiful. That's why don't let these people use anything. Your son that graduated from JAND here may go compare Uniben student at the regulator. When I know what they do down and state one of the common life. So your son that graduated from here may go compare himself with University of Benin or Ekpoma. Despite say that one they read for such a lot of people want to send their children home to go and go to a University of Benin, or we finish in or do ye masters in the web of there. But the society not the permit. That's not the permit. So there are ways at times you key into what's happening to your country. It must not be you have to be here everything. Anyway, I cannot tell you. It's not supposed to be so. So we be like witch where they brave for coven. And so it be so. If me no say na so, then one make us talk. Negere. If me no say na so, then one make us. They stalk everybody now. A place you cannot go and live freely. A lot of you will not understand. See, if you don't enjoy life, you value your life. People right now, they cannot even go to Nigeria and pass Benin or a road because they are afraid. Because they killed somebody yesterday. If it happens once in a while, no problem. But this one is like, it has been targeted. That look at what we are for. So people are afraid. Likewise also, I should be afraid also. But the people there, they are used to it. They are used to it. I know a lot of people will say, for one, go stay. Yeah, stay. But we want the society at least There should be 80%, no, 60% free from offenses. Imagine right now you have to protect yourself 90%. The government is not even there. The whole Nigeria, no government not there. You have to protect yourself right now 90% on your way. And who is their main target? Who come from Jand? Before your friend will come go poison. Imagine you felt the go before. How now you how poison. Ama will see work over. Now what I'm gonna go kill and throw away. Enemy from my father's house will never feel that one dead or even no work berry. No suppressing my rebel na I see that one is not okay. Right now, mayhem everywhere. The society will be over bastardized. So let's take it easy. Let's continue to kind of share this word, and let's continue to encourage our brothers and sisters also. The kind of life we feel we are living, this is not the original purpose of God in our lives. Nobody God just born so you go come John. During the creation of this world, now your pastor can't see prophecy for you. If I thought you even come, you were supposed to come. After 10 years or 15 years, you will relocate back home. You will different among all your friends. That's the only way you would have been able to fulfill that destiny where God gave you. That's the only way it would have been able to happen. But the way it is right now, reverse is the case. So I'm going to be leaving you guys right now. God bless you all. And do have a nice day. Let us share this video. And let's get our finger crossed. For those of us who have been fighting a lot of people ignorantly, just let it go. The one we are right now, we need each and every one. Don't ever take ESN as your problem. I'm not saying it because I have something personal benefit to gain. I'm saying it because why? These are the people right now. Let's pray for them to prevail over the enemy of our lives. They are fighting your enemy. They are not fighting you. ESM, they are fighting our common enemy. And I pray that God Almighty will give them the grace to succeed in this whole thing. People like me, of my age, of my type and my caliber, they are inside the bush. They are inside the boat, protecting lives and properties. Swear an oath to protect lives and properties. That they are oath this way. And the oath your government swore reverses the case today. They are to protect lives and property, but somebody else is not doing their will is what another person is doing. And yet they are hunting this same person. Are you not going to fold your hands and see how they kill these people without you praying for them? As you are praying for God to protect them, God will also protect you. So that at the end of this whole thing, like what is written down in the book of Numbers 31 verse 49, that we have counted and none is missing. No ESM member will be missing. All our enemy, they will use their head to pay. All the enemy killing us. You know, I told you before, we are brethren in suffering. Every dying Nigerian that have no food to eat, who have been politically be trampled upon, they are my brethren. Any mother today that can no longer go to farm because of the bad government we have in Nigeria, because they unleash Fulani ESM on them, they are my mother. I feel their pains. So the best I can do is what I'm doing right now. So I'm doing it with utmost joy. I have no apology for it. That's why as many who is sponsoring this agenda to start killing innocent people. If no dian say, ya save ni Jesus Christ no me wafa. So kuma ha wo salobo ajagbona we ni agbele ma. You sow down the land. You do whatever thing that comes from your mind. You took away our oil. You borrow money in our names. You are a Nigerian under normal condition. No Nigerian was supposed to be more than a Nigerian. We are supposed to be equal. Did the same thing you feel here abroad. That's why you are not intimidated. That's why they are talking to you, say Black Lives Matter. Why? Because they have a system that is functioning. But there are systems in our country we cannot really talk. But as many that is sponsoring this agenda, good day, everyone, and God bless you all. Please make sure you share this video. Inbox it to your friends. Maybe out of the 6 million nonsense, there will also be sense inside that will catapult us to a realm where they play Mamako. In Jesus' name. You may do have a nice day. God bless you. Ciao.